Okay, so we have arrived at the hotel. We are staying here at the MIMARU apartment hotel in Tokyo. This is a pretty cool little parking garage thing here. They park the cars on top of each other. It's pretty interesting. All right, while it is early and there's no one here at the front desk, I'm gonna take this opportunity to get a nice video of what the lobby looks like here at the hotel. It's pretty basic stuff, nothing too crazy. They have a few recommendations for kids. They do have a restaurant on the corner here. There's a small little bathroom on the side with the garbage. And then this out here is the smoking area, which is just a little alleyway here for smoking. That's essentially the lobby of the hotel. They do have these like little QR codes to help you kind of sort of navigate the city. There's a subway station and a high-speed rail nearby. But that's a weird rule too. I don't really understand a lot of what's going on so far. Anyways, this is pretty common here too, I guess. Rental umbrellas for the rain. These are super common here in Japan. So there you go. There's the lobby of the MIMARU Tokyo Hatchobori. Okay, just for funsies, because everything's different here in Japan. We're gonna go up the elevator now. I mean, it's not that different, but it is smaller for sure. This is a very Americanized part of the city as well. Roll it up. I guess it's not that much different. They do have guest laundry here, vending machines, and then you come out the other side. You went in that side, come out this side. Okay, so now for the moment you've all been waiting for, what does the room look like? Room 1101. Now this is what they call an apartment. Dang it, I'm not getting the lingo quite right, but it's basically what they consider an apartment. So it's a little larger than what a normal, I guess, hotel would look like, but hotel room, excuse me. But this is what we're dealing with. We'll start here in the restroom. The restrooms in Japan, those are the way the light switches work too, but the restrooms in Japan are next level. They've all got these high-tech toilet systems with bidet. I know I sound like an idiot. If anybody's ever been here, it's probably not that impressive, but super high-tech toilets in Japan. Obviously, everything, all the tables and the chairs and the couches, they're all really small, really low to the ground. Like, this is all normal stuff if you know anything about Japan, but it's just, to me, I've never seen it before, so it's interesting. Here's your refrigerator. There's a little electric stove on the top here. It's even got like a fan above it. Microwave. Got some goodies in there. Small little fridge. And then the other bathroom's separate. This is like where you wash up, brush your teeth. And then this whole room, I don't even know how this works yet, but this whole room, I believe you stand here and this whole thing is the shower. Yeah, I haven't used it yet, but the whole thing's the shower, and then it's also got a bathtub as well. Here's your little living space area. Once again, I mean, to me, this looks like it's made for children. Is that how low it is to the ground and how small it is? And we're sharing a room with our in-laws for this. It's really tricky to get rooms around here, like that are big enough to accommodate everyone that's in your party. So they put 2 twin beds together. So this is where my mother and father-in-law are sleeping, and then we're sleeping here. Sorry for the mess, but we've been here dealing with the time change and everything else. We've been moved in, and this is the first I've had a chance to show what we're dealing with. Then we have the bunk beds here. The beds are all comfortable. They're a little firm, but pillows are nice. They have lots of places to plug in all your stuff over there. No noise at all. No blackout windows, though. There's a view from the window. What else? They all have these humidifiers in the rooms. There's like 2 in this room alone. I guess that's a big thing here in Japan. These humidifiers. And then, of course, your closet here. As far as television goes, Netflix, YouTube, that's really the only thing that we've been able to find as far as that goes. But, once again, that makes a lot of sense since we're in Japan. So there you have it. There is your hotel tour for our stay at the apartment Hotel MIMARU in Tokyo. One last look from this angle. This is a big room, from my understanding, for Japan. This is my nephew Ethan.
My name is Ethan.
And Eva and Jack is over here too, and they're gonna show us his Pokemon hotel room here.
So
starting from the beginning.
So this Eva move. Eva.
Uncle Rudy,
So-
go tortoise area.
This.
Is there any Pokemon stuff in there?
Okay, so this is a bathroom / shower / bathroom. And look, so for the shower, there's a drain right here.
Yeah. So it's like a shower room, right?
Yeah. And the bathtub has like a kind of cool plug. I feel like I've seen this before. but
Yeah, those are pretty common.
There's like, okay, and there are Pokemons on the wall to keep you like entertained.
Yeah, it's fully Pokemon themed, right?
Okay, here we go.
Is there any Pokemon in there?
No, it's just a normal toilet.
We got one of those in our room too.
Yeah, there's like a trash can right here. It's like a Japanese robot toilet. The
Yeah, those
thing
are
is twisted. It doesn't get hot at all, but yeah.
just for cleaning up. Show me the Pokemon plates and stuff.
Okay. That's a closet.
Right here, show me the plates.
Oh yeah, so there's Pokemon up there for entertainment.
All the plates are all what are those called?
Pokemon plates. I don't know.
Pokemon
There's also Pokemons on the ceilings.
Pokeballs. Pokeball plates.
Pokemon's right here, here, here,
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
and here.
Yeah.
All the bedding is Pokemon themed, right?
There's like cups and
Oh yeah, the cups too. Let me see the cups.
there's cups.
You guys are in a hurry, right?
Well, yeah, feel free to keep filming.
Okay.
I'm gonna get ready.
What's this guy you're sitting on over here?
It could be
This came with the room, as did the blankies, right?
Yeah.
What are these things on the ground? Is that all part of the?
Yes, they're Pokemon footprints.
They are.
Oh, I didn't even know that.
Pokeball table. Look at.
It's so cool.
That's not all. Look up.
I know.
I know.
It's on the roof.
Look at the walls. Look at this.
They even got a Pokeball clock over there.
I know.
A little desk to do your business over there.
And also look,
Your Poke business.
we got one of these. And,
Yep.
And watch this. We have one of those. We have a top.
Yep.
We have a microwave. It just
Pretty-
out.
Pretty exciting stuff. Right on. Thanks for showing me your room, guys.
Cool.
Welcome.
Oh, crud.
Adventures with Rudy.